This is example 2 out of Appendix B.5, and this is dividing rational expressions. Again, rational expressions are just fractions, and when we divide fractions, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. So our divisor is 40 over 2 minus m, and to rewrite this as a multiplication, we're just going to take the reciprocal of 40 over 2 minus m, which is 2 minus m over 40. And then now, just like example 1, we multiply fractions by multiplying top to top, bottom to bottom. And then before we actually carry out the multiplication, we're going to factor everybody as much as possible. So that's shown down here. I'm going to break out the 8 from the m squared. I'm going to factor a negative 1 out of my m minus 2. Or sorry, negative 1 out to get m minus 2. And we're going to see why when we break apart the 3m squared minus 12, which has a common factor of 3, which then becomes m squared minus 4, difference of squares, which is the m plus 2 and m minus 2. So I happen to recognize up front that the 2 minus m, if I factor the negative out, it's going to have a matching factor down below. And then finally factor the 40 into 8 and 5. And now again, we're just going to start getting rid of common factors. I'm going to show that here in steps. We've got the 8 in common top and bottom. Can get rid of that. There's the m minus 2 that we can get rid of top and bottom, so we go ahead and get rid of that. And we still got quite a few factors here, and we don't have to go through and multiply everything. But see, our negative 1, we're just going to put that negative out front there. That leaves just the m squared on top, and then the 3 and the 5 we're going to multiply together to get our 15, and we're just going to leave that factored from the m plus 2. So dividing fractions, we're going to take the reciprocal of the divisor, turn it into a multiplication, and then just carry it out as before, top to top, bottom to bottom, factor everything out to get rid of all the common factors before we actually worry about putting it together. Thanks.